Hey, 8th grade math students, Mr. Koenig coming to you live with the undoing division method for solving a proportion. Okay, it's one of three methods that you could potentially use to solve a proportion. A proportion is just essentially you have two fractions, we call them ratios, that we are saying are equal to each other. In this case, we have in 10 minutes, the individual could fold 7 cranes, and we're trying to determine how many minutes it would take to fold 1,505 cranes if they fold those cranes at the same consistent and constant rate. Okay. All right. So here's how we approach a problem like this. In a problem like this, we want to figure out what is happening to the x. If you look on the right side of this equation, x is being divided by 1,505. Okay. That line you see means divide. In algebra, which is essentially what you're getting into at this point, you want to undo whatever is being done to your variable, which is x. So if x is being divided by 1,505, the inverse operation for division is multiply. So what's actually going to happen is on both sides of the equation, to keep it balanced, always do everything on both sides. If you're going to do something, do it on both sides. So the inverse operation is going to be times or multiply by 1,505. In this case, I'm going to do 1,505 over 1 as a fraction because I'm working with fractions. So it's going to look something like this. On the right-hand side, we'll have times 1,505 over 1. And on the other side, exactly the same thing. 1,505 over 1. And then we just multiply some things out. So on the right-hand side, I'm going to go x times 1,505. So that's going to be 1,505x, means multiply. And for the denominator, 1,505 times 1 is just 1,505. So it'll look like this. On the left side, we have 1,005. For the numerators, we have 1,505 times 10. So just add a 0 to the end of that number. It looks like this. 15,050 in this case. 1 times 7 is 7. So the denominator, we have 7. On this right-hand side, we actually have a giant 1 right here. Any number, anytime you have a fraction or a ratio where the numerator and denominator are the exact same, you have a whole. Just like 8 out of 8 would be a whole pizza, right? If you slice a pizza into 8 pieces and you ate 8 of them, it's a 1 whole. Okay, so in this case, it looks on this side, we have 1x, put an equal sign in the middle, and then we have 15,050 divided by 7. So we take 15,050 and divide that by 7, and we get 2,150. And that's minutes. Okay, now I have 1x. A lot of people will actually just drop that 1 out because 1 times any number, in this case x, is just whatever that number is. So 1 times x is x. So we could, and that's the multiplicative identity property for those of you that were wondering. So that's x equals 2,150 minutes. All right. And that right there is the undoing division method for solving a proportional relationship. Hope you enjoyed.